Akshaiy. Today let's see how to grow lady's finger. Lady's finger is an Indian traditional vegetable which improves brain function. Let's see how to grow it. Here we go! Here are the lady's finger seeds. First, dig the soil. Put some quarter-inch hole. Then put the seeds. Put 2 seeds. Then close it. Then sprinkle some water. Let us see after a few days. Now the seed has germinated and grown into a small plant. Let's see after some more days. Now you can see our plant is in the half stage. And surprisingly, a new visitor has come to visit our plant. In the first stage, our plant has got a flower. Whenever I see the flower, I get admired to it. In the second stage, we have got a small lady's finger. Now we have got a matured lady's finger. We can make lady's finger fry, lady's finger sabji, gravy, etc. I do like lady's finger fry. But if we cook it, we won't get the complete nutritions. So it's better if we eat it raw, like this. It's yummy. I think you found this video useful. Take care. Bye bye.